Hi guys, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies and we're feeling in a bit of a Star Wars mood today. We've had a big restock of Star Wars Bandai kits. You guys know I love my Bandai stuff and I do love my Star Wars stuff. So let's start off with the smaller kits down the front. These go together fantastically. No glue required, as with all these kits. All you're going to need is a set of nippers. So you've got your iconic sort of ships there, your Star Destroyer, your Millennium Falcon down there, and the Blockade Runner. They are great little kits for if you want to just have them on display at work, on your desk, that sort of thing. They go great like that. The bigger ones we have are the X-Wing, of course, classic X-Wing, and the A-Wing. Bit bigger, they've got a bit more intricate sort of nature in their stands. A bit more of a display piece for the home, I personally think. A bit of a talking point. And from there we go into the more action figure style sort of kits. So we've got a combined set of R2-D2 and BB-8, old meets new. They have very good color separation on them. They really pop with their colors. Something quite different. And then of course we have the bad boy Stormtrooper. Everyone knows and loves Stormtroopers. They can't aim to save themselves, but really you don't need them to save themselves. They're Stormtroopers. They're expendable, but you gotta love them. And the big bad boy himself, Vader, it's Vader. What more do I need to say? The black on this is fantastic. The red saber is very menacing. It's come out really well in this kit. And I do love the color separation with the stickers. Comes together really well. But yeah, all these are fantastic kits, all being restocked on our website. Come into our store, Box Hill, CBD, say g'day. We're always happy to talk Star Wars and talk kits. But yeah, feel free to subscribe, guys. We've got some lovely stuff coming out in the near future. And take it easy from there. This has been Adam. Catch you next time.